Mire, hoy y mañana la Ciudad de México es sede por primera vez de la cumbre que reúne a Rotarios de América con los medios de comunicación tradicionales, digitales y con empresas para unir diálogos críticos sobre las tendencias y herramientas de la imagen pública de Rotary. Sobre este encuentro, mi compañero Juan Becerra conversó con el presidente de Rotary Internacional, Barry Rising. Esto fue lo que dijo.
President Rising, es un gusto, muchas gracias por recibir a Capital 21 y por conversar con nosotros.
Thank you so much. It's a real pleasure to be here with you.
Un honor. Presidente, se lleva a cabo una importante, muy importante cumbre de Rotarios para dar a conocer lo que hacen a través de los medios digitales. ¿Por qué en la Ciudad de México?
Mexico City is the center of the geographical region for our Rotary organization. And by being in the center, then we can have the summit here on a very important topic. And we can bring in Rotarians from other countries around Mexico. But also, we want to be able to reach out to the corporate world in Mexico City and make sure they understand what Rotary is doing as well.
¿Cómo califica, cómo describe usted el compromiso de los empresarios mexicanos con las necesidades humanas?
I think it's very important for Rotary to address specifically the corporate world in this area. Around the world, Rotary hasn't done a good enough job of making sure that our corporate partners really know what we do. It's really clear when they understand Rotary and they know what we do and they see our projects around the world, then they want to use Rotary as the vehicle for their corporate social responsibility.
¿Cuál es el principal objetivo de los Rotarios? ¿Qué hacen por la paz, por la humanidad, por las personas?
We're a complex organization. It's really hard to sum up Rotary in one or two sentences. But if you were to, you would have to say, our objective is to reach people who need help and aren't getting the help that they need. We do it by bringing fresh, potable water, by bringing good sanitation, by helping people get a basic education, by helping the economic and community development of the area, and by bringing good health care. The more we approach those kind of issues in communities, the more we truly are addressing peace and conflict resolution. A happy, healthy community is not going to get into conflicts like we do today. So our job is to bring that happiness, to bring that health, to bring a good spirit in the community, and then we can address conflict resolution.
¿Cuáles son los principales retos en materia de ayuda a las personas de necesidades humanas que se deben enfrentar el día de hoy para llegar a este objetivo que usted señala?
It's reaching those people who are in need. There's always a need for more funds. There's always a need for more people. One of our drives this year is to grow the membership, because the more members we have, the more good we can do and the more people we can reach around the world.
Y precisamente se busca utilizar las herramientas que la tecnología nos da para que la misión de Rotary sea conocida cada vez por más personas.
I am a true believer that we should have started a lot earlier getting involved with social media. Before I started this job, I had to learn Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. But when you realize the reach that we have on social media, I am now, within a short period of time, able to reach out to hundreds of thousands of people to get their help. To give a quick example, I showed a video on Facebook of a school where the children, 277 children, came out so we could give them gifts. Rotarians saw the video and they saw the children didn't have shoes and hadn't seen water in a while. They've since offered to get shoes to that school, and they have adopted 40 schools in that community of that African country in order to bring water to the schools. To me, that's social media at its best.
President Rising, muchísimas gracias por charlar con nosotros en Capital 21. Ha sido un gusto.
My pleasure. Thank you very much for taking the time.